What benefit can AI bring us? If you are wondering this, I would say one of the obvious benefit is that AI can help us turn such a small blurry photo into a super clear image with details in seconds. Whether you have landscape images, portrait, black and white photos, or AI-generated images, AI upscales them all. In this video, we want to show you how to upscale photo with AI in seconds. Let's dive in. As we are using AI to upscale photo, we need to get the AI tool first. HitPaw AI Photo Enhancer is that tool. A powerful and easy-to-use AI software. If you don't know where to install it, just check out the description under this video. Mac and Windows computers are all supported. Once we have installed it on the desktop, launch it. Next, import the photos you want to upscale. The good thing about it is that the software supports batch processing, which allows us to handle as many images as we want. On the right side are 6 AI models. Each one has its unique function to improve the photo quality. To keep it simple, the general model is suitable for landscape or portrait images. Denoise model is perfect for cartoon image. Face model can enhance facial details, which is ideal for portraits. Colorize model can colorize black and white images. Color calibration can save underexposed images, and scratch repair can remove scratches from old photos. Choose suitable models for your images and assign your desired resolution. If you like, applying multiple models to get best quality of your image. When you are sure the photo quality is fine to you, click on the export button to save them in your local file. It's easy, right? So how do you like the AI photo enhancer? Leave your comment below to let us know. Also, if you guys want to explore the software yourself, the official link is put in the description. Hope this video helps. If you are interested in more useful contents like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and receive our latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you soon.